Steps on how to bake the perfect potato. Step 1. Choose the right potato. The first step to a perfect baked potato is choosing the right kind. Russet potatoes are ideal for baking, offering a fluffy interior and crispy skin. Wash and scrub them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Step 2. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Ensuring a high temperature is key to achieving that crisp exterior while keeping the inside soft and fluffy. Step 3. Pierce the potatoes. Take a fork and pierce each potato several times. This helps steam escape during the baking process and prevents the potatoes from bursting open. Step 4. Coat with olive oil and salt. Coat each potato with a thin layer of olive oil. This adds flavor and helps the skin crisp up. Sprinkle salt generously over each potato for that perfect seasoning. Step 5. Optional, wrap in foil. While not necessary, wrapping the potatoes in foil can help them cook more evenly. It also preserves the moisture, giving you a softer interior. Step 6. Place on a baking sheet. Arrange the prepared potatoes on a baking sheet. Make sure there's enough space between each potato for even cooking. Step 7. Bake in the preheated oven. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven. Bake the potatoes for about 45 to 60 minutes or until the skins are crispy and the insides are tender. Cooking times may vary, so check for doneness with a fork. Step 8. Optional, brush with butter. For an extra touch of richness, brush the baked potatoes with melted butter just before serving. This adds a wonderful flavor and enhances the texture. Step 9. Fluff the interior. Once out of the oven, let the potatoes rest for a few minutes. Then, using a fork, fluff the interior to create that classic baked potato texture. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. And there you have it, the perfect baked potato. Serve them up with your favorite toppings like sour cream, chives, or cheese. Enjoy your delicious creation. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cooking inspiration, and let us know in the comments if there's another dish you'd like us to explore.